Hi friends, and welcome. My name is Miss Diana, and I am a teacher that loves to learn and have fun with her friends. So today, I want to say thank you for joining me. And did you know today is a very special day? Today is Mystery Monday. Do you think you can help me solve a mystery? Well, today I have brought my very special mystery box. There's something inside, and I'm hoping you can help me figure out what it could be. But I'm going to give you a little bit of a clue. The item that that is inside my mystery box begins with this letter. Do you know the name of this letter? You're right. This is a capital F, and here is the lowercase f. Do you know the sound the letter F makes? You're right. The letter F says f, f. Well, there's something inside this box that begins with the letter F. Can you guess what it is? F, f. Did someone say fire truck? That's a great guess, but it's not a fire truck. Is it a frog? Good guess. Frog starts with an F, but there's no frog inside my mystery box. I'm going to give you a clue. There's an animal inside my box that begins with the letter F, and we know it's not a frog. Did someone say dog? No, it can't be dog, because dog makes the sound D for dog. Well, it's not a frog, and it's not a flamingo. I'm going to give you one more clue. This animal that begins with the letter F as in lives in the sea. Did you say what I think you said? Let me see if you were right. I think you're right. Do you want to see what's inside my mystery box? Did you say fish? Boys and girls, you are right. A fish starts with the letter F. Fish. And it is an animal, and it lives in the sea. Well, boys and girls, this is just not any ordinary fish. This is a very special fish. His name is Rainbow Fish. Have you heard about rainbow fish? Well, an author, an illustrator, his name is Marcus Pfister, wrote the book, The Rainbow Fish. Now, boys and girls, this is one of my favorite stories. I love the beautiful colors and the shimmer and the glimmer. And so many people like this story that Marcus Pfister, the author, wrote many stories about rainbow fish. Rainbow Fish to the Rescue and Rainbow Fish and the Big Blue Whale are just some of the books about rainbow fish. So today, I thought I would retell the story because I know some of you have heard it and maybe you forgot, or maybe some of you have never heard the story of rainbow fish. So I am going to retell the story of the rainbow fish, and the main character is, of course, Rainbow Fish. Well, once there was this beautiful fish that swam in the sea. He was the most beautiful fish in all the sea because of his beautiful colored scales. All the other fish admired Rainbow Fish because of his beauty. He swam and he swam. Well, one day, another little fish came swimming by, and he swam up to Rainbow Fish. He said, Rainbow Fish, you are the most beautiful fish in all the sea. Do you think you can share one of your glimmering scales with me? Rainbow Fish said, no way would I share my beautiful scales with you. It makes me so beautiful and unique. Well, this made the other little fish sad, and he swam away, and he told all of his friends how Rainbow Fish would not share his scales. Well, Rainbow Fish just swam and swam all day, and Rainbow Fish became very lonely because all the other fish were playing and swimming together. Well, one day, Rainbow Fish came across a sea star. And he said to the sea star, "I am so lonely and sad. I see all the other fish playing when I'm all alone." Well, the sea star said, "I think I know who can help you. I think you should go find the wise old octopus deep in the sea." And away Rainbow Fish swam. He swam and he swam and he decided that he needed to be brave and find the wise old octopus. So he swam and he swam until he came to the cave of the octopus. And out of the darkness appeared the wise old octopus. And the wise old octopus said, "I knew you were coming. I know you are sad and you are lonely. If you truly want to be happy, Rainbow Fish, you need to share your shimmering, glimmering scales with the others. And when you do, you will know what it is like to be happy." And the octopus disappeared. Rainbow Fish thought to himself, "How could I be happy if I share all my beautiful scales with the other fish?" Well, remember that little fish way from the beginning? He came back and he said, "Oh, Rainbow Fish, you are so beautiful. Couldn't you spare just one shining scale with me?" Well, Rainbow Fish thought, and he remembered the wise words of the octopus, and he said, "Well, maybe I can share just one of my scales with you." So he took off one of his scales and he gave it to the other little fish. Well, when he did, this little fish, he was so happy. He was so overcome with joy. And he went and swam off and he told all the other fish about how generous Rainbow Fish had been to share one of his scales. So the other fish came and said, "Rainbow Fish, can I have one of your scales?" And Rainbow Fish, do you see the smile? One by one started handing off his scales to the other fish. And it made the other fish so happy when Rainbow Fish shared. And then from that day on, all the fish and Rainbow Fish played together happily in the sea. Well, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed the story of Rainbow Fish as much as I do. But before we go, I just wanted to go over some things that we have covered today. The mystery letter today was the letter F. The F makes the sound f, f, as in fish, fan, frog, fire truck. Do you think you can find more words or listen for more words that begin with the letter F as in f, f, fish? Also, did you know that a fish has fins to help it swim? It also has a tail. One thing that we have in common with fish is that we have a mouth, which helps us to eat. The final part of a fish I wanted to share with you makes Rainbow Fish extra special is that it has scales. Rainbow Fish scales are the most colorful, glittering scales in all the sea. Finally, the last thing I wanted to talk to you a little bit about today was about how you can be a good friend like Rainbow Fish. Rainbow Fish was so lonely until he realized that if he shared what he had, he could make other people happy. And when he shared, the fish came and they all became friends. So this week, I want you and your family to talk about what it is that you can do to be a friend to others. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had some fun hearing the story of Rainbow Fish and learning a little bit about the letter F and what it is to be a good friend. Please join me for part 2, where we will be exploring numbers and counting and having more fun with fish. So until then, have a wonderful day. And again, my name is Miss Diana. and I hope to see you soon. Have a great day, friends.